My name is Corey, and I'm in the Manager and Training program at jbhunt.
You're moving from a manager trainee into a transportation manager 2 within 3 months, which you don't see that in a lot of companies where you're promoting that fast and into another leadership position.
A lot of us get hired as managers but don't really know how to be managers. I feel like not only with the MIT program, but them sending us to leadership classes, it helps us grow within the company to where we can lead our drivers and we can lead our following MITs in the right direction.
You start shadowing our transportation manager 2, start working with your own team of drivers in which you kind of just learn how to do your role.
They are able to help me the planning side, like the whole team, everybody helps one another, and I never seen that.
You have a team of managers that will support you throughout the whole process, and they'll work with you with any problems that you have.
As an MIT, I'm on the regional side. I also help out on the local side, so I take local calls and regional calls. My only goal is to make sure all drivers are happy and they're all safe.
So that's what I've really enjoyed about the Manager Trainee program. It just gears people to be the best leaders in the industry.